Thanks for your visit. I have a free e-cookbook for you, with 30 easy and healthy recipes. The recipes are simple to make, and your friends and family will absolutely love them. Just leave your name and email address in the sign-up form below this video, and I will send you the download link via email. Trust me, your info is safe. I will never share your details with other people. Don't wait, and request your e-cookbook now. I'm looking forward to send you my ebook with 30 easy and healthy recipes. Fill in the form, confirm your request, and the book will be sitting on your computer in no time. Have a great day.